Hey you guys, welcome back to NEMT Van Talks. I'm Jasmine.
And I'm Monica.
Hey, we're back. So, this is part 3 to NPI.
Yes.
So, if you haven't watched part 1, part 2, then you need to go ahead and check it out and then come back to part 3.
This is it.
Also, we got some very useful information that you can probably use, or friend, family, anybody that's looking to get into the non-emergency transportation industry. So go ahead, like this video, subscribe, and share the video. If you know someone that needs help with that NPI application, share this video.
This is it.
Yes,
this is it.
So we want you guys to stay tuned, take notes, and we got you.
And make sure you tell us if this video was helpful or not, okay?
Absolutely.
I think you guys are going to like this one.
We are about to show you how to complete that NPI application along with the taxonomy code for NEMT. So you guys sit back, take notes, and we are giving you the game.
That's it. I think you're going to like this one, guys. I know you will. I know for sure. In this video, I will walk you through the steps to complete your NPI application. The application consists of 6 pages. The first 3 pages are the instructions for completing this application. I recommend that you take the time to thoroughly review the first 3 pages when completing this application in order to get a general understanding of the information that is required. So let's continue to page 3 of this application. Page 3, section 1 is requesting for basic information. If this is your first time completing this application, it is considered an initial application. So you want to check the box here. Under entity type, you want to check an organization that renders health care. You also want to make sure you answer the question here: is the organization a sale parts? For the purpose of completing this application, we're going to check no. If you have questions about this question, please refer to the instruction page of this application. So let's continue to section 2. Identifying information. Under this section, we only want to focus on part B. Organizations includes groups, corporations, and partnership. You want to provide the business legal name, the EIN number, which is provided to you by the IRS. If your business has other identifying names, you want to indicate that here on line 3. If not, you can omit line 3 and 4. Let's continue to section 3 of this application. Business addresses and other information. And section 3, part A, you want to indicate the correspondence mailing address. As noted here, please do not report your residential address unless it is also your business mailing address. You want to provide a correspondence telephone number as well. Let's continue to part B, business practice location information. As noted here, do not report your residential address unless it is also your business practice location. Okay. Also, you want to note that a P.O. box is not acceptable as a business practice location. Again, you want to provide a business contact number. Let's continue to C, part C of this application, which you can omit. Part D, provider taxonomy code. For the non-emergency medical transportation business, the provider taxonomy code is listed here. For a list of other taxonomy code, you can click on this link here. which will provide you an additional list of taxonomy codes as well. So let's continue to section 4. In section 4 of this application, we only want to focus on part B. Authorize official signature for the organization. You want to indicate the authorized official signature here, the date, the first and last name, their credentials, the position or title, and a good contact number. In section 5 of this application, it is requesting for a contact person's information. Again, you want to indicate the first and last name, their credentials, the title and position, a good email address, and a contact number. Once you have completed this application, I do recommend that you go back to make sure that all the required fields have been completed. Once you have confirmed that this application has been completed, you can mail it to the address that's indicated here. Or if you would like, you can submit it electronically as well by clicking this link here. You will be required to create a username and password, and you can process your application via web, which is an easier and faster way to obtain your NPI number. The applications are the same. The same information that is required on the paper-based application is also required electronically as well. But for the purpose of completing this video, it was easier to show you on the paper-based application.